everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So today is quick and easy meals and I wanted to try this. So it's from Italy. It is a protein pasta. We're gonna give this a try, guys. Okay, so I have the water boiling already. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other ingredients and I'll be back. It is so hot today, guys. Okay, so I'm waiting for the water to boil to put this in. Now, I have some spaghetti sauce in the fridge. We gotta use up what we have. I have a piece of an onion here and a half package of this ground chicken. So we're gonna use this, and then I found some mozzarella. So let me cut up some of this onion and get a pot for that. Okay, so I chopped up the onion, got a nice amount of onion, and have the pan there heating up. We're going to put the leftover ground chicken into the pot. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by Jennifer at Home, Jean Home Decor and More, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, and we are going to add the chicken noir. Okay, this is the regular chicken noir, and this is the one with tomato. So we're going to be adding the one with tomato. So salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, or Italian seasoning, or all of it. And okay. And then we're going to add some of that noir. So this is still boiling or trying to boil. The holes in this are really small, guys. I know it looks like I'm adding a lot. I'm not. Alright. So it got really hot here today. And can't figure out how to dress. One day it's very cold, the next day it's hot. It literally hit like 90 degrees. Alright, let's see. I'm going to put a little bit of water in here. And we're going to lower that a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get this meat cooking, guys. Really shouldn't take very long. Yeah, add some more water. Chicken cooked, and then we'll move on from there. In the meantime, we are almost ready to add the pasta to the water. So let's just give it a few minutes, guys, and we'll be back. Okay, so this meat looks like it's cooked. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add, I put a little bit of water in the jar to get all of the sauce, Shake it, and we're gonna pour that in there. There you go. So I did put a tablespoon of olive oil, flash fried the onions, and then we put in the ground chicken. So we're gonna let this simmer for a little bit. Let me wipe this down, and then we're gonna put the pasta in the water. Okay, so what I decided to do is make this a cream sauce. So we're gonna put some butter, and we're also gonna put some heavy cream. Okay. All right. All right, that has to come up to a boil. Just put a little bit of water in there. We're gonna taste it for spice once the butter melts. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? Look at this sauce. So it looks good. It tastes good, right? I added some water. Every time you add something, guys, make sure and go in and taste for flavor. And salt. We're gonna let this simmer a little bit until that butter melts. And then we're going to be shutting this off. All right. Let that simmer. And this is like a slow boil, guys, here. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit. We'll be back when both of these are done. All right, so I already drained the pasta. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sauce in with the pasta. Okay, gotta mix this in there. This I gotta clean off the stove. All right, so I'm gonna mix this in. I have this on low. Okay. Wow, this looks amazing, guys. All right. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and right in the same pot, we're gonna go ahead and add some mozzarella. Okay. I was gonna put it in the oven, guys, it's so hot in here, but I've done this before. And so now we're just gonna place that right here on low until the cheese melts. And let me get a lid for this. We're gonna leave this here until the cheese melts, and then I'll be back. Okay, the cheese is melted. It's absolutely amazing, guys. I had to taste it. So let me serve, and we're gonna head on over to the review. Let me go ahead and serve, guys. Lots of gooey cheese, so I'll be back. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I can't help myself. I did have a slight taste over there, but I gotta have another taste. Okay. That tastes delicious, guys. Let's head on over to the review.